Easy, easy.
I said drop your phone.
She's talking to her father.
I said drop your phone now. I'm talking. You call him, but nobody's arresting you.
Drop the phone.
Okay, go back here.
You're very stupid.
Please take it easy now.
You are very stupid. What's your problem? You are very stupid. I think you're very stupid. I will come with you. Are you mad? I know where you go. I think you're very stupid. Take her. Go with her. Go. I said go.
A video of PDP Senator Elisha Abo hitting a nursing woman has since gone viral, causing media outrage. Among the many people who have reacted are celebrities like Don Jazzy, Kate Henshaw and Banky W. Media personality Fumi Iyanda also reacted to the video, calling on the removal of the senator from power. Earlier on, Legit NG reported the news of Elisha Abo, 41, senator representing Adamawa North Senatorial District, on the platform of People Democratic Party, was caught on camera physically assaulting a woman at an adult shop in Abuja. Joining many people to react to the video are celebrities who spared no words in expressing their anger and distaste for the senator over his actions, which were caught on camera. Some of them include music boss Don Jazzy, Banky W, Nollywood actress Kate Henshaw, and media personality Fumi Iyanda, who all took to the Twitter platform to speak on the issue. Don Jazzy wrote on Twitter, "Sir, things like this should not go unpunished in our dear country. CC Professor Osibanjo." Kate Henshaw reacted with some words of her own. "Shame on you, Elisha Abo, senator representing Adamawa North Senatorial District. Shame on you. Putting hands on anyone is not acceptable. Shame on you." Fumi Iyanda wrote, "If this man is not prosecuted and removed as a senator, the joke is on us as a people, although everyone stopped laughing a long time ago." Singer Banky W had this to say on the issue: "I have been saying we need to pay attention to who we let in the National Assembly. Now look, a sitting senator caught on camera assaulting a woman. These are our leaders, our lawmakers. Shame on us. Elisha Abo should face the full wrath of the law." Meanwhile, Elisha Abo himself claimed that the tape was doctored. The recording was made by a closed-circuit television CCTV, which was planted in the shop where the incident occurred. Football legend Kanu Nwankwo celebrates wedding anniversary with wife Amara. The retired footballer takes to Twitter to share a lovely photo of himself and his wife as they celebrate their love. Kanu and Amara are celebrating 15 years of being married. The footballer shares the news with fans on Twitter. Retired Nigerian footballer legend Kanu Nwankwo and his wife Amara are celebrating their 15th wedding anniversary on Tuesday, July the 2nd. The couple has 3 beautiful children together. The football star, who shared the exciting news with his fans on the popular microblogging platform Twitter, thanked God for blessing his family. Nwankwo also gushed about being married for 15 years. He added that more years are to come. The footballer also shared a beautiful photo of himself and his beautiful wife. He wrote on Twitter, "15 years more to come. Happy anniversary to us. We thank God for everything. Positive vibes. Kanu Health Foundation family anniversary. Thank God." Kanu and Amara's love story is nothing short of inspirational. The couple tied the knot in 2005 when they were both young. At the time, Amara was 18 and Kanu was 28 years old. Despite a 10-year gap between them, the couple has survived 15 years with 3 beautiful kids. Tasha and Thelma have broken the first fight in the Big Brother 2019 show. The two ladies were seen arguing over a food portion shortly after Tasha dished food for everyone in the house. Following the heated exchange of words, Thelma and Tasha are the topic of discussion on many social media platforms. The 2019 Big Brother housemates have barely spent 72 hours in the house, and the fight has already broken out. Just as the housemates settled to eat their lunch on Tuesday, July the 2nd, their 3rd day in the house, Tasha and Thelma got into a heated argument over meat and fish. Tasha, who seemed to have gotten a lot of popularity given her profile on social media, appears to be a threat to some members of the house, including Thelma, who subtly expressed their dislike for the already famous housemate. So when the opportunity presented itself, Thelma jumped on. It started after Tasha dished meals for everyone and settled to eat, but a dissatisfied Thelma complained about the portion which she got. Angered by her ungratefulness, Tasha picked offense and got the two into a heated exchange of words. Insulting words, including dumb fool, were thrown across the room between the two ladies, who seemed to be completely irritated by the actions of each other. Singer Yemi Alade has made history as the first female artist to hit 1 million subscribers on video streaming platform YouTube. News Agency of Nigeria reported that this feat comes months after Alade became the second Nigerian artist to hit 100 million views on YouTube for the song Johnny. The Oh My Gosh singer took to her Instagram page Yemi Alade to announce the feat and reflect on her musical journey of 6 years. She wrote, "God is the greatest. Started this journey 6 years ago. Thanks to everyone streaming, watching my video and music. God bless all." With this feat, Alade joins the entertainer who have over 1 million subscribers, including the defunct P-Square with 1.2 million, Davido 1.5 million, and Diamond Platnumz 2.1 million. Her debut studio album King of Queens was released on October 2nd, 2014 by a Fizzy Music Group. And that's it on Entertainment News on Liberty this morning. I am Dick.
Easy.